In the hands of a skilled artisan, a silver teapot takes shape. It becomes a mesmerizing work of traditional art. The journey begins by melting tiny silver granules. They are poured into a mold to create a raw silver ingot. The ingot is then flattened into a thin sheet. It's now ready for shaping. The silver sheet is cut into a predetermined shape. The artisan bends and welds the pieces together. Slowly, the teapot's initial form emerges. With precise hammer blows, the artisan shapes the teapot's body. Heating and softening the metal is repeated several times. This ensures flexibility and ease of shaping. Excess metal is trimmed away. The teapot's surface is smoothed. Unique patterns from the hammer marks enhance its beauty. The base and spout are crafted from separate silver sheets. They are then meticulously welded onto the body. The lid is shaped from another silver sheet. It is curved and expertly welded to the opening, completing the teapot's form. The spout and handle are carefully crafted. They showcase the artisan's skill and finesse. Finally, they are securely attached to the teapot. The teapot is polished thoroughly, revealing a radiant shine. Engraved details on the surface become even more prominent. The final product is an elegant silver teapot. It is a testament to traditional craftsmanship. Presented in a luxurious box, it is now ready to be admired.